What if then the candle body was the same again, but this time we had a small wick at the top and a large wick at the bottom? Well, now this one is more favorable of clear buy and control. What this candle looks like, it opens here, it trades lower, gets down to this point. So at this point, it's looking like a very bearish candle, but some point here, we see clear buy and control take over, which drives us all the way up to here. This tells obviously pretty much the opposite story as before. Where before we saw considerable selling pressure coming in and driving back against the buyers, this time we already saw the selling pressure at the beginning, and we had a pretty notable downward move. In fact, a very large downward move, about the same size as the candle that's closed. But at some point down there, so after the selling pressure in this area, we saw notable levels of buying pressure coming into the market, which not only drove the market back to the open price, but drove us all the way past the open price and all the way up to here before closing, with again little to no wick at the top. This wick is tiny, showing buyers were not pressed down by sellers at the top. Basically, this is a incredibly bullish situation because not only have we closed considerably higher than we opened, we've also seen a huge rejection from buyers after an attempt to go notably lower. So this would be pretty much the ultimate in the ways of what we want to see for bullish candles.